Mr. N.J. Yasasvi founded ICFI in 1984. ICFI Business Schools, IBS, have 9 campuses across India and are managed by the ICFI Society. ICFI offers innovative and globally accepted programs that focus on imparting the right skills for enduring success in management careers and shaping the right attitudes. IBS, with 9 campuses across India, has been providing top-notch management education for 25 years through its 2-year full-time management programs. The students at IBS go through the experience of corporate life from the very first day on campus. To enhance their learning, there are multiple industry interfaces available through IBS itself. The key program is the IBS Summer Internship Program, a 14-week corporate experience. Students engage in time-bound, multidisciplinary projects enhancing analytical, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. The top-performing students are awarded the IBS Alumni Federation (IBSAF) Awards for Excellence in Summer Internship Program. Internship Cell at IBS Gurgaon aspires to bring in quality internship projects in for the postgraduate management students. IBS Gurgaon and its Internship Cell expresses gratitude towards its valued industry partners for providing internship opportunities to its students through Abhinandan 2.0, the Summer Internship Guides Appreciation Meet to honor the companies that have given students internship opportunities, to recognize the Best Summer Internship Award winners, and to launch the new brochure for Summer Internship Season 2024. Convergence is an annual event organized by IBS Gurgaon. It serves as an excellent platform. It enables faculty members connect with professionals, gather insights about potential internships and job openings, and expand their network. This event fosters a conducive environment for meaningful interactions, thus empowering students with first-hand information to enhance their understanding of career pathways and industry expectations. IBS Gurgaon offers tailored management development programs (MDPS) for summer internship mentors, focusing on advanced managerial and leadership skills. MDPs are regularly organized at the IBS Gurgaon campus. These MDPs help us in contributing to the current industry professionals and also helps mutual learning and relationship building. We thank you for all your efforts and guidance to our students and warmly welcome you to the new campus of IBS Gurgaon.